Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have another cool exponential equation and to solve for x, so let's work together. So we have the solution. For this one, I would let u equal square root 2 plus 1 to the power x, and v is square root 2 minus 1 to the power x. So I would have less u equal square root 2 plus 1 to the power x, and v is square root 2 minus 1 to the power x. Then the equation would have, we have u plus v is equal 6 because we put it back here. And we know that square root 2 plus 1 and square root 2 minus 1 are radical conjugates. So we would have u times v is square root 2 plus 1 to the power x times square root 2 minus 1 to the power x. This is equal square root 2 plus 1 times square root 2 minus 1 and all of this raised to the power x. This is if you have a to the power x times b to the power x. This equal a times b to the power x. But this one is, the reason is this one. So square root 2 plus 1 times square root 2 minus 1, this is gonna be square root 2 square minus 1 square and to the power x. Another one, if we have x plus y times x minus y, this is equal xy minus y square. That's the reason. And then we have square root 2 square is 2 minus 1 is 1 to the power x. This is 1 to the power x is 1. Very cool. And we have another equation, u times v is 1. Then now combine one equation over here and equation over here. We have a system of two equations of new variable. So we have u plus v equals 6 and u times v is equal 1. To solve for this one, I want to start from here. This to solve for v is 6 minus u. Then I replace this one into the second equation. I would have u times v is now 6 minus u is equal 1. Then this equal negative u squared plus 6u is equal 1. Rearrange this one. I move the left hand side to the right hand side. So this is carry negative to become here is positive. Negative positive here to become negative on the other side. So I would have here is 0. So 1 plus u squared minus 6u. So rearrange again, I would have u squared minus 6u plus 1 is equal 0. Okay. So now we have this equation to solve for. This one is u. So this one is u. So then now we solve for u, and we use quadratic formula. U is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this is gonna be u is equal negative of negative 6 plus or minus square root of negative 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 and divide by 2 times 1. This will be 6 plus or minus square root of 32 over 2. Square root of 32 is square root of 16 times 2, and this is 4 square root 2. So we would have here is 6 plus or minus 4 square root 2 over 2. Simplified by 2, we would have 3 plus or minus square root 2. Okay, now I'm gonna put here u is equal 3 plus square root 2 and u equal 3 minus square root 2. Go back with what we had. U is square root 2 plus 1 to the power x. Okay. Here, For the first one here, we would rewrite this one as 2 plus, this is, I have 2 square root 2 here, we would have 2 square root 2. We would have 2 plus 2 square root 2 plus 1, because 3 over here is 2 plus 1, right? This is equal to plus 1. And then this we rewrite this one, it's gonna be square root 2 plus 1 square. And we just say this is equal, u is square root 2 plus 1 to the power x. For this equation, we would have x is equal to, obviously, so we have one solution. Another solution over here, u equal 3 minus 2 square root 2. We know that 3 minus 2 square root 2 times 3 plus 2 square root 2 is equal 3 square, which is 9 minus 2 square root 2 square, right? This is actually, I put 3 square is easy to follow. And this is 9 minus 8 and then equal 1. So that's, but this one is earlier, we make this one is u. So this one gonna be v. So this will be v. So that's now we have v is equal and similar, we would have 3 is 2 plus 1 over here, and inside here 2 square root 2, because 3 is 2 plus 1. And this is equal square root 2 minus 1 square. And go back, what we have v. v is square root 2, v is square root 2 minus 1 to the power x. So we have here, this is square root 2 minus 1 to the power x is equal square root 2 minus 1 to the power 2. Again, we would have x equal 2. So for two cases, we would have the same solution, x equal 2. So the only solution for this equation is x equal 2.